At Alliance, we recommend that you inspect the seals around your coach every 6 months or so. We're not asking you to replace them, but look for them. They'll be obvious if there's a seal void that's developed or anything like that. We want to make sure that we're keeping water and moisture out of the coach. We'd recommend that you have 3 things on hand. 1 would be a good exterior grade silicone, 2 would be Dicor self-leveling sealant, and 3 would be Eternabond tape. And I'll give you a quick look at where these different applications can be made. For your sidewalls, you're primarily going to use a silicone around your baggage doors, around the tops of your windows, anywhere that you see screwed metal fasteners to the exterior of the coach. A little bit of silicone can help go a long way to making sure that that stays watertight. Up on top of the RV on the roof, we use a PVC flexible material for the roof covering. And wherever there's an opening, like here, the Winegard antenna, or you have a solar port, what we use is a Dicor self-leveling sealant. That's this white stuff here. It comes out in kind of a globby nature, but it does smooth itself out. You just want to make sure that no air pockets are developed that would ultimately burst and cause a seal void. If you see one, you can put Dicor right over the existing Dicor. One last place to check would be on the slide-out roof. Here you can see we use an Eternabond tape along the long edge of the slide. It's a waterproof tape. It's going to last a long time, but there gets some wear and tear. So every 6 months, just check. Make sure that it's not been compromised. If you had a stick or something on there that scratched it, no screw heads coming through. If you ever need to replace it, another strip of Eternabond tape can go right over the top of the existing.